all of the individual things in coconut water. Do you like it?
What's up guys, welcome to another video.
Really, babe?
And today we want to try our
Nature cereal, TikTok viral nature cereal. We really wanted to try to see what it tastes like. I mean, I can see a lot of mixed emotions online. Some people go, it's really, really good. Some people are like, it's not all that. So we want to give our opinions on it and see what it tastes like. So today we have you in our kitchen. And yeah, we're just gonna see what it do. So these are all the things that we need. We have the blueberries. We have the pomegranate. I can't say it. Pomegranate.
pomegranate because
I have the raspberries, the strawberries, and some ice. And they're all washed and clean. I have all of the ingredients, so I'm just gonna distribute them. Okay, and last but not least, coconut water. Okay, so I have it. Time to taste to see. Honestly, it's not that it tastes bad. It tastes good.
What do you mean?
But it just tastes like all of the individual things in coconut water. Do you like it?
to be honest guys, this is good.
I mean, I guess it's like a smoothie, but you didn't blend it. I guess.
Like a rough version of a smoothie, you know?
It's not bad. On a scale of 1 to 10, how much would you give it?
I mean that seeing that this contains just all healthy ingredients, I would say
For what it is.
for what it is, right? I would give it a 10. It's good.
I'd give it an 8. It's good. I can see it being like a nice snack if you're watching your diet.
Right. You know, it don't fresh, the coconut water have a little,
Give a little buzz.
yeah.
I feel like I would drink it. I would drink it again.
Try it guys.
But if I have the ingredients already, I would make it. But I wouldn't necessarily go out of my way to buy them just to make it, if that makes sense. That makes sense?
Especially pomegranate, if you don't get one that is already open, it's kind of hard and time consuming to take out all the seeds and all of that.
And that's not something that I usually eat. I think this might be the second time I've ever tasted it. I can't even say the word. So,
This is my first time having pomegranate. Just opening the pomegranate and just eating it.
not bad at all. Damn.
So basically the only thing that I don't eat in this is just the ice. I think the purpose of the ice is just to give it a
Just to
chilled
chill it.
flavor, you know? Yeah.
But yeah, I I think it's a 8. He thinks it's a 10. I think you should try it for yourself definitely and see if you like it.
So yeah, try it under the
And let us know
what you think.
after you try it, or you know what? I don't know. A blank moment. I
Yeah.
don't know.
But to
But
me,
yeah.
it was good. Yeah?
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you know every time we post, and watch the videos.
Yeah, smash that like button down there.
So yeah guys, thank you. We'll see you in another video.
See you next time.
Bye.